Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Karen. Today I have something really exciting to share with you, but not about Chico. So recently I was browsing YouTube and came across an interview with one of my favorite singers, Shawn Mendes. You know what caught my eyes? It was the stylish matte black onyx necklace he was wearing. Being in the jewelry business myself, I always pay special attention to what others wear. And that's when I discovered that he was endorsing David Yurman. Now here's the exciting part. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a similar style necklace that will give you Shawn Mendes vibes. Get ready to dive into this DIY jewelry project and let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the materials we need for this necklace. Matte black onyx round beads. You may choose 6 mm or 8 mm. I believe he was wearing 8 mm beads, so I will use 8 mm today. For the clasp, I will use a super cool sprung clip and bell clasp crafted from 925 sterling silver. It features a sprung clip opening and is supplied with 2 cup bells that can fit from 6 mm to 8 mm beads. And then there's a small bar inside the bell cup for holding the string, which I will show you how to do during the production process. And then 0.5 mm non-elastic black jewelry string. Necklace length, it should be 26 inches or 28 inches in his interview, so let's make it 26 inches. Prepare the string with about 60-inch length. Thread the open-end needle from the middle of the string. First step, put it through one of the holes on the bell cup, like this, and then thread it back through the same hole, but go around the small bar inside. Take out the needle, and that's how it holds the string. Second step, these 2 strings go through this circle. And then pull it tight. Third step, thread the needle here and start to thread the onyx beads. Now measure the length. We want it to be 26 inches. Now let's repeat the first step. Put it through one of the holes on the bell cup and then thread it back through the same hole, but go around the small bar inside and it becomes like this. And then you see the 2 strings. Separate the 2 strings. And then this one comes up from behind. Pull them tight again, like super tight this time. And then tie 2 knots like this. 1, 2, 'Last step, after tying 2 knots here, cut the string and then burn like this. And it's done. Very easy, right? You can also make a matching bracelet in 10 mm beads. Follow the steps. I'm sure you can create your own beautiful jewelry. That's it for today. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.